Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download brand mockups from Placeit. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.placeit.net and press enter. Once the website loads, look for the search bar at the top of the page. Type in the type of mockup you need, such as t-shirt mockup or business card mockup. Hit enter to display the available mockup options. Browse through the results and click on a mockup design that catches your eye. On the mockups page, you will see a preview of the design. To customize the mockup, look for the upload button, usually found on the right side of the screen. Click the upload button and select your image file from your computer. Adjust the image as needed within the mockup template. Once satisfied with the design, locate the download button. Click on the download button to proceed with the download options. You may need to choose a resolution based on your requirements. Select the desired resolution and click download again. If prompted, create an account or log in if you haven't done so already. Follow the instructions to complete the download process. After the download is complete, find the file in your computer's download folder. Open the file to confirm that your brand mockup is ready to use. With these steps completed, you now have your brand mockup from Placeit. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.